Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and welcome to today's tutorial on how to do a hard refresh in Pencil Spaces. So while in Pencil Spaces, you may receive notifications saying that you're having trouble connecting to a call or connecting to your server. If these issues do not fix themselves over time, you will have to do a hard refresh. To do a hard refresh, you are going to click the refresh button found at the top left-hand side of your screen. So once you have refreshed your page, you can rejoin the call or start the call if you are a host. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to click the help button found at the top right-hand side of your screen. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all things new at Pencil Spaces.